Good day, I'm Andrea Chisom and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, March 23. The ceremonial opening of Parliament and the tabling of the 2016-2017 budget are set for Thursday, April 14. Cabinet ministers will meet ahead of that for a three-day retreat from March 30 to April 1.
Plan also to have preliminary cabinet consideration of the budget on April 4th and final consideration on April 11th.
The budget debate in the House of Representatives will follow, while the new estimates of expenditure should go to the Senate for its deliberation on May 27. In the meantime, Minister Reid says government will be tabling a carry-on budget of $83 billion during the next sitting of the House on March 29. It's to take care of the spending needs of the government until the next budget is presented. To get a better handle on Jamaica's Zika cases, the Health Ministry is moving to speedily test a backlog of samples that were sent to the Caribbean Public Health Agency CARFA lab in Trinidad. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton told reporters yesterday that more than 300 samples were sent for testing and results were still outstanding for 145.
Most of the samples that are still outstanding are those that were sent to Trinidad. We, however, did keep a part of those samples here, and I've asked the technocrats to proceed to do our own testing of those samples that are in Trinidad, as well as the new samples that come in.
Those tests will be conducted at the recently upgraded virology lab at the University of the West Indies. There have so far been 5 confirmed cases of the Zika virus in Jamaica, 4 of them in Portmore St. Catherine and the 5th in Lyson St. Thomas. Government is moving swiftly to intervene as the Chinese-owned Pan-Caribbean Sugar Company signals its intention to cease operations. While addressing the administration's first post-cabinet briefing on Tuesday, Information Minister Senator Ruel Reid indicated that the company was facing losses amounting to $60 million and would need a capital injection of $200 million. He said the matter had come to cabinet, which directed the relevant ministry to pursue negotiations for a sustainable business plan.
Not to take over the operation, but to seek to get other private sector interests to work together to make sure that this project and the production of cane takes place. And more so, we'd like to see that the matter of the cane industry is revitalized.
The Information Minister revealed that Cabinet was also paying attention to another matter of public interest, namely the recently announced toll rates for the North-South Highway.
We have heard the cries of the people of Jamaica in regards to asking for us to negotiate a better deal, and we are working very assiduously behind the scenes to see how we can address these concerns.
A new water treatment plant is to be built at Content Rio Cobre in St. Catherine. Cabinet has given approval for the $15 million contract, which is in keeping with government's 10-point plan for growth and development.
And we expect within 18 months, once this project has started, then we should see a significant improvement to the ongoing problems for the greater Kingston metropolitan area during times of drought.
The Rock River Primary School in Clarendon will soon have 2 additional classrooms equipped with computer terminals, laptops, multimedia projector and more. This is courtesy of a donation from the Embassy of Japan under its Grassroots Human Security Project.
Japan's ongoing partnership with Jamaica demonstrates the commitment of my government to work with Jamaica to provide assistance and help where it is desired and needed most.
Education State Minister Floyd Green has expressed his ministry's thanks for the gift from the people of Japan.
We all must work together if we're serious about building the type of educational system that we can be proud of. I am happy today that Japan is partnering with us to assist in the development of students, teachers, and other stakeholders at the Rock River Primary School.
And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and other members of his administration have condemned the terrorist attacks in the Belgian capital of Brussels. Bomb attacks in the capital yesterday claimed the lives of over 30 civilians and have left more than 200 others injured. Prime Minister Holness spoke with the Belgian ambassador to Jamaica and extended sympathies on behalf of the government and people of Jamaica. In a statement, the Prime Minister also insists that the international community must continue to speak with one voice, sending the unmistakable signal that these campaigns of terror will not break our spirit nor dampen our resilience as proponents of world peace. While expressing similar sentiments, Foreign Affairs Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says she has received confirmation that all Jamaican embassy staff and the 2 Jamaican students in Belgium are safe. There are an estimated 400 Jamaicans living in Belgium, and Minister Johnson-Smith says they have been offered assistance to contact loved ones in Jamaica if needed. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.